Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to paint a bouquet using two different types of daisies, the Gerber daisy and a common daisy. I'm starting by painting an oval as my guide. I'm starting by adding petals along the bottom and sides, and then when I get around to the top, I'm painting the petals about half the length of my other ones that are along the bottom, just to make it look like we're looking at it from the side. While that one is drying, I'm painting my next daisy. This one is going to be forward facing, so this guideline is going to be a full circle. The petals around it will look even all the way around. I'm going to let this one dry while I move on to my next one. I'm painting this one the same way as I painted my first pink one. Next, I'm adding the centers of my common daisies. This one off to the side is going to be forward facing, so my center is going to be a circle. This one at the top is going to be seen from the side, so I painted the center as an oval. Now I'm going back and adding another layer to my Gerber daisies. I'm going around and adding petals in between where the first layer of petals are. Next, I'm moving on to my common daisies. Since these petals are white, I'm using a very watered down blue to create a shadowed look since I'm not using the white paint. These petals stay pretty spaced apart and I won't be adding another layer to these. For the Sideview Daisy, I didn't paint any petals along the top since there are fewer petals on the common daisy. Next, I'm going to add in my stems. I'm keeping the stems pretty long and I'm not adding any leaves to these daisies just to keep it simple. Now that my Gerber daisies are dry, I'm adding in some tiny petals right around where the center will be in the darker shade. Next, I'm adding a darker center to my common daisies to help those pop next to those bright Gerber daisies. Now I'm adding in some tiny detail lines that are kind of hard to see in this video, just to give some extra dimension to the petals. Once your flowers are totally dry, add the dark centers to the Gerber daisies and you're finished. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you try this or any of my other tutorials, post a picture on Instagram and tag me at Snowberry Design Co. and use the hashtag Snowberry Tutorial. Thanks again for watching. Bye!